There, Terry Mundle here with Mundle Anchors Are You Grounded? We're in the Red Deer County area. What we want to show you today is just how simple it is to install one of our Mundle Anchors Are You Grounded electrodes. And just to start it off here, we have our template. And we also know how important moisture is to getting in a low resistance optimum ground. So what we do is just drill a few more holes. Next we'll add a little bit of moisture to it. Now we push the ground electrode in and then we just tamp it down. There, now we'll just, what we have here is a summer and winter cover. In the summertime we put it on. And that keeps the moisture from evaporating and it'll stay a continuous optimum ground. In the winter time we would put a magnetic block heater on here, little insulation, and then cover it up again. We install our flag. We have one installed Mundle Are You Grounded electrode. Okay, now we'll just show you how easy it is to remove our Mundle electrodes. In this video we're going to show you how we install the new patented Mundle ground plate. We need a shovel, water, and a post hole digger. This is the Mundle ground plate. Okay, well, here we are. We've got the hole dug down to past 4 feet, and it's been bone dry all the way down. So now we can insert our grounding electrode. Now we'll just put some good soil around it. Okay, we have it installed now, 2 feet below grade. Now we'll do a test on it to see what the ohmic value is. And there it is. Just right on the 25 ohms. Now the idea of this is to fill the hole up with gravel and rocks. Then whenever it rains and you're watering the yard or whatever, moisture to run down there, and this would be an optimum ground forever. Thank you. Okay, now we'll install a run-of-the-mill ground plate. It's not galvanized, it's not certified, but we'll put it in the hole, and we'll make sure it's there. We go, nice and level. Okay, now we'll fill her up. Here we have a ground plate installed in the earth, so we'll do a ohmic value on it, and it is set on a 100 scale, so we'll switch it to a 10 scale, and on the 10 scale it is about 68 ohms. Now we'll hook on to our ground device, and we'll set it on the 100 scale. Now on the 10 scale, so we're adding 30 ohms on the 10 scale, and the Mundle ground plate was 25 ohms.
Well,
thank you very much for watching. For more information, go to our website, rugrounded.ca.